Hello everyone, I'm Claire and welcome to the Routine Bar Laboratory.
Today, I'm going to introduce a laboratory instrument called the Thread Tapping Torque Test Machine. This device, originating from Microtap in Germany, is used by many top manufacturing companies and research institutions worldwide. The instrument is primarily utilized for testing the mechanical component performance in various fields, including bolts, screws, fasteners, mechanical parts, automotive components, aerospace components, electronic devices, and building materials. Our video today primarily demonstrates the use of this instrument for testing lubricant performance. Before starting each test, the testing personnel need to preset the required thread rotation depth and rotation speed in the back end of the thread tapping torque testing machine. Then, the device is automatically calibrated to ensure that the thread can be precisely drilled into the screw hole. After adjusting the device, the test preparation involves accurately injecting the formulation into each screw hole using a syringe. Of course, the thread must also be covered with the preparation. Next, the machine is officially started for testing. After each test, the real-time data is recorded and displayed on the back-end screen. The testing personnel can examine the data in detail according to their needs. Additionally, they can import previous test data for comparison, ensuring that each test yields accurate data to guide the adjustment of the corresponding chemical additives.
That concludes all the content for this video. If you would like to learn more about our products, or if you are interested in our custom solutions for your chemical products, please contact us via email info@rqbchemical.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.